Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grab. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Grab app. You will find it here in this window and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.